Hello, my name's Jiji Peach. In this video, I'm decorating this notebook, featuring Jiji from one of my favorite Ghibli movies, Kiki's Delivery Service. I enjoyed this movie because I would love to be a witch, and have abilities like talking to my cat companion, and flying a broom. Anyway, let's get on with the video. First things first, I removed the covers from the binder spine, so it'll be easier for me to decorate. What I'm doing is exactly what I did in my previous notebook video, covering the notebook with fabric washi tapes. If you want to see the video, click here to check it out. This time, I won't be covering the binder holes, to save time and effort. Coloring the binder edge with a Posca pen, and then outlining the tape edges to add thin borders. Reattaching the covers to the binder spine. Covering the inner cover to make it look nice. I thought it'd be cute to draw some cat paws, and write Gigi's name in the background. Now the base cover's done, it's time to make Jiji. Cutting the template. I start by making the body base, and then coloring it with black wool. Now make the head base, and then coloring it black as well. Checking the body proportion, and smoothing out the black wool. I shaped the white wool into Gigi's eyes. Positioning and attaching the eyes to the head. Gluing the pupils. Now for his cute pink nose. Adding his chatty mouth. Adding his tiny fangs. Time for his big pointy ears. Attaching his ears to his head. Making his tail. Tidying his ears and making sure they're firmly attached to his head. Attaching Jiji's tail to his body. Now creating his ribbon. If you don't needle felt, don't worry. You can use other art mediums. You can use paints, cards, spray paints, felt fabrics, and many more to make Jiji. Be creative. The art ocean's your oyster. I felt the background needed more decorating, so I used a Posca pen and added black cat paw prints, cat heads, and writing meow. Use the glue gun to attach the bow to Jiji. Finally, gluing Jiji onto the notebook cover. Can't forget the tail. And there we go! Notebook is finished. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please like or subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. Hope you have a good day or good night. See you later.